1.
Tooluxe 50,000 2 liters Universal Heavy Duty Tire Repair Kit. This flat tire repair kit includes an easy and quick plug kit to fix punctures for all tubeless tires on most cars, trucks, motorcycles, or vehicles with no need to remove the tire from the rim. A fix kit for tire repair that includes a hardened steel spiral rasp and insert needle with a sandblasted finish for extra durability to repair tires. The T-handle puncture repair tool has a design that provides greater turning power and comfort to the user. Slime 50,122 Flat Tire Puncture Emergency Kit Analog Inflator, 15.84 ounces, 450 milliliters, sealant, refills available, accessories for inflatables, sports balls, instructions, zipped storage bag. Just 10 minutes to repair and fully inflate your tire with the simple push of a button. No jacks or tools needed and no need to remove the wheel or the valve core. Plugs into a 12V car charging socket. Features a dial display for monitoring tire pressure and a pressure release valve. Tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, safe, sealant approved by leading vehicle manufacturers and contains environmentally friendly, non-toxic, non-corrosive and non-hazardous, non-flammable, water-soluble sealant. ARB 10,011 Speedy Seal 2. The ARB Speedy Seal 2 includes a premium spring steel insertion needle with cast handle, hardened steel reamer tool, 40 vulcanizing repair cords, lubricant, quality pliers, blade, spare valve cores, spare valve caps, Allen key and a dual chuck pencil type tire gauge to make checking your pressures a snap. Includes a quality pencil type tire gauge, insertion and reamer tools, needle nose pliers, lubricant, additional valve accessories and 30 self-vulcanizing repair cords. Spare repair cords are also available in packs of 50 from ARB, so before you head out on your next 4x4 trip, make sure you've got all the necessary equipment for making emergency repairs. 4. WYNNsky Universal Tire Repair Kit. The tire repair kit is perfect for cars, motorcycles, ATVs, tractors, lawnmowers, trailers, jeeps, trucks, etc. Even if you never repair a tire, and useful instruction in this case can guide you to repair the tire step by step. 60-piece all-in-one set with glove and tire pressure gauge. A pair of gloves with wear-resistant and non-slip surface which much helpful to operation. 120 psi tire pressure gauge to monitor and maintain manufacturer recommended tire pressure. Heavy-duty insertion tool and reamer tool are made of zinc alloy with sandblasted finish which provide durability for general application. TECCPO Tire Repair Kit containing the elaborate 100 pieces, This tool's TECCPO can meet all your needs on tire repairing work totally. Tire repair kit is strictly complied with the top production standards and the scientific design concept to enable you to save time, worry, and effort. Better than any other brand, our T-handle is made of the solidest A3 steel material, which is stronger than others and is hard to break. The plugging tool is difficult to bend or deform, and the insert tool just fits the size of the tire. The tire repair strip is used the best rubber, which is durable and not easy to age and harden. And this kit also equips the tire pressure gauges with the black rubber valve stem. BETOOLL Tire Repair Kit 22 pieces includes 1 PCT handle insert tool, 1 PCT handle spiral probe tool, 1 PCL hex key, 1 PC jar of lubricant, 15 pieces self-vulcanization repair plugs, 2 pieces tire value steams, and 1 PC 4-way valve stem tool. Easy to insert plugs keep you prepared for the next nail or object that finds its way into your tire and stops you. Sturdy T-handle made of heavy steel, and feel great in your hand. Ideal for cars, Jeeps, trucks, SUV, ATV, motorcycles, tractors, lawnmowers, toy haulers, trailers, and more.